I'm Andrew Fraser. I'm the CEO of BSE. We're a national consulting engineering practice. Following on from our AGM of last month, we've adopted a fairly ambitious growth phase for the next 5 years, and in order for us to bring that to a plan that was able to then be presented to all of our staff, we needed to come up with a strategy plan. Strategy plan proved somewhat challenging because of the ambitious growth targets that we had, but in employing Trudy and her team, we were able to break it down to a granular level such that each of the people responsible for the various aspects of it were comfortable to accept their challenge and are now quite excited with the opportunities of being part of bringing the company to where we're expecting it to be in 5 years' time. So thank you very much to Trudy and her team.